Good morning, everyone. We will begin today's program with a prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. But for the showers we plead.
On this auspicious day, when we celebrate our nation's 75th Independence Day, it's an honor for me to welcome all of you to this event. We have in our midst the Senior Principal, Navdi Public School, Mrs. Preeta Cletus, who is our mentor and guide in school's path towards excellence. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. We are delighted to have our principal, Mr. Arvind Cletus, here to lead our Independence Day celebration. We are very fortunate to have a proactive and hard-working principal who inspires us in every day with his work. A warm welcome to you, sir. I take this opportunity to welcome all teaching and non-teaching staff who have gathered here. Independence Day is marked as the occasion to celebrate the countless struggles and sacrifices of our freedom fighters who have made us an independent nation today. So it's a time to celebrate the feeling of our national identity and the pride being an Indian citizen. May I invite our principal, Mr. Arvind Cletus, to hoist the Indian national flag.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Good morning, everybody. Freedom is one of life's most precious gifts. The right to choose, the right to express oneself, and the right to liberty. These intangible qualities we take for granted today were gained through the hardships and sacrifices made by those that came before us. On this 75th Independence Day, I feel proud and honoured to talk to you about our nation. Since independence, India has shown commendable growth, notwithstanding our huge population. Our countrymen are amongst the brightest and most resourceful people in the world. Our economy has grown, we are self-sufficient, resilient and united despite our many differences. The theme of India's 75th Independence Day celebration is Nation First, Always First. On this day, let us remember the thousands who laid down their lives so that we could live free. We must move forward as a nation that is capable of delivering quality, innovation and trust. Every Indian should work towards creating an image of India that shines brightly on the world stage. We should work towards transforming ourselves into a nation of people that the world would look up to. Such dreams can only be realized through generational efforts. The generations that came before us have paved the way. My dear students, you are the future of this country. You are its future citizens and leaders. On this Independence Day, I want to remind you of the responsibility that you must live up to the burden you must shoulder, and the path you must forge to take our nation to greater heights and better days. It falls to you to usher in our next golden age, a time where intellect, reason, diligence and merit are exploited. You are our country's future. And on that note, I'd like to wish all of you a happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Sarojini Naidu. I am Niger of India. Mande Madaram. August 15 is our Independence Day. We got freedom on this day. This is our national park. I am going to sing a song. അനന്ത നീലിമയിൽ സ്വതന്ത്ര ശബരിമയിൽ വിശുദ്ധ ദേവിതകാരയുമായി കണ്ടുനിൽക്കുന്നു തുണ്ടിൽ പുണ്ടിരിത വസ്ത്രത്തെയുന്നു അനന്ത നീലിമയിൽ സ്വതന്ത്ര ശബരിമയിൽ വിശുദ്ധ ദേവിതകാരയുമായി കണ്ടുനിൽക്കുന്നു തുണ്ടിൽ പുണ്ടിരിത വസ്ത്രത്തെയുന്നു പരാഗപാടും ഹൃദയാകാശത്തിൽ നീലിമയിൽ സ്വതന്ത്ര ശബരിമയിൽ വിശുദ്ധ ദേവിതകാരയുമായി കണ്ടുനിൽക്കുന്നു തുണ്ടിൽ പുണ്ടിരിത വസ്ത്രത്തെയുന്നു അനന്ത നീലിമയിൽ സ്വതന്ത്ര ശബരിമയിൽ വിശുദ്ധ ദേവിതകാരയുമായി കണ്ടുനിൽക്കുന്നു. Hi everyone. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. We got freedom on this day. Independence Day makes us feel that we are one. That is Indians. Jai Hind. Good morning to all respected teachers and parents, my dear friends. Wish you all a happy Independence Day. India became independent on August 15. Since then, every year we celebrate our Independence Day. nation. I also call the mother of India, or Mother Goddess. I have no religion and no caste. I am mother of all Indians. Happy Independence Day to all my dear children. Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Hello everyone, I am Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India. I am a great freedom fighter and a poet. Thank you all. Good morning everyone. Wish a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Hello all. I am Mira Ambedkar, father of Indian Constitution. I fought for equality. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day. Hi everyone, wish you all happy Independence Day. Independence Day celebration of our freedom. India got independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. I am proud to be an Indian. Happy Independence Day. I, Bhagat Singh, salute the nation on 75th Independence Day. Every year, August 15 celebrated as Independence Day. This day teaches about the power of unity among Indians. We hoist our national flag and sing our national anthem Jana Gana Mana on this day. Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Today I am going to speak about Independence Day. Every year we celebrate Independence Day on 15 August. On this day, our pioneers the assassination and also traveled platform. This day we remember the sacrifices of great freedom fighters. Thank you. First Prize of India. I feel I am freedom fighter. I love children, so they call me Chachati. Happy birthday to all of you. Jai Hind. I am Lakshmi Bai, the queen of Jhansi. I pledge to serve Jhansi till last drop of my blood. If defeated and killed on the field of battle, we shall surely end eternal glory and salvation. I am Jhansi Rani. My name is Tanmay. Today I deliver a speech about Independence Day. India celebrates its Independence Day on 15th August every year. In this year, we celebrate our 75th Independence Day. It is celebrated to commemorate our war hero like Gandhiji, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose and so many others. On Independence Day, Prime Minister hosts national flag on Red Fort. I love my country. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day. Do you know me? I am Jalabha
मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
Hello. acknowledge the privilege of being born in India. Long back in 1947, we got our freedom from the British. Today, we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our country. Today, we hoist our national flag, sing our national anthem, and remember our freedom fighters. This day teaches us patriotism and strengthens our unity. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Independence Day, Happy Independence Day, Happy Independence Day for all Indians.
Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August of every year. This day we remember the sacrifices of the great freedom fighters. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. Today is August 15. Our Independence Day.
Independence Day, I make this craft with rice. Hope you like it. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind. Hi everybody, myself Father Mama. Today we're gonna make a rocket. For that, tricolor paper, syringe, scissors, glue. Let's start. Rocket is ready.
Happy Independence Day. Today I will show you a craft that we can make on Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to all my teachers and friends.
Today, August 15th, Happy Independence Day.
Good morning to all. I am a teacher and speak about Independence Day. All the 15th celebrated as Independence Day. This is a national flag. I'm proud to be Indian. I'm happy to share Happy Independence Day. United teachers and my friends. Thank you. I would like to say a few words of my country, India. This is a national flag of India. The topmost color is saffron. It indicates its courage and sacrifice. The middle color is white. It indicates peace and purity. The bottomest color is green. It indicates prosperity. And in the middle there is a Ashwa Chakra. I wish you all a happy Independence Day.
If the deaf are to hear, the sound has to be very loud. Ee Gulab Zindabad.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम.
I am Indira Gandhi. I am the first woman Prime Minister of India. I love my country. Even if I die in the service of my nation, I will be proud of it. Jai Hind. I am Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Forget not that a closest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. Remember the eternal law. You must give if you want to get. Jai Hind. I am Bhagat Singh, saluting the nation on 75th Independence Day. सरफरोशी की तमन्ना हक हमारे दिल में है, देखना है शोर जितना बात सुबह तरकीब में है. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद.
Hi everyone! Today on 15th of August, we all have gathered here to celebrate the Independence Day of our nation. Today is very important for all Indian citizens. We got independence on 15th of August 1947 from British who ruled our country for around 200 years. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Lokmanya Balagangadhar Tilak, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. So it is also our duty to work hard for the country's development and progress. Let us pledge today to do our best and make our country the best country of the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
When we see the history of countries in the world today which have freed themselves from the clutches of colonial past, the struggle for freedom in India is a shining example of a non-violent and peaceful protest. People from different castes, creeds, races, communities and faith came together to revolt against the British rule. And the struggle became a saga of sacrifices, unending patience and remarkable unity among the nationals.
War of Independence 1857 to 58. It was the first general agitation against the rule of British East India Company. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the great heroine of the first War of India freedom. She showed the embodiment of patriotism, self-respect and heroism.
If defeated and killed on the field of battle, we shall soon lead and serve in glory and salvation. I will not surrender my country. The Swadeshi movement was a successful economic strategy to remove the British Empire from power and improve economic conditions in India by boycotting foreign goods, buying only Swadeshi goods. Boycott foreign goods, buy Swadeshi. Have chaka in every house. Wear khadi. Jai Hind. An unarmed crowd of 10,000 who came together in Jallianwala Bagh to celebrate Baisakhi festival was mercilessly attacked and killed by the British. वहाँ हजारों लोग थे. इमारतें दीवारों से घिरी हुई थी. अंदर और बाहर जाने के लिए केवल संगरे द्वार थे. उनमें से कुछ बंद थे. उन्होंने सभी को गोली मार दी. The non-cooperation movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi and the Ali brothers on August 1st, 1920 was the first mass movement organized nationwide. Mahatma Gandhi undertook a nationwide tour of numerous student and political worker rallies and meetings.
This led to thousands of students leaving schools throughout the country. No cooperation with evil is as much as a duty as is cooperation with good. Surrender all titles and government posts. Boycott government schools and colleges. Boycott lockouts. Boycott foreign goods. Establish national schools. Wear khadi clothes.
Mahatma Gandhi demanded for Purna Swaraj through non-violence method. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it.
നമ്മുടെ കടൽ തീരത്ത് നിന്ന് ഉപ്പ് എടുക്കുന്നതിന് ബ്രിട്ടീഷുകാർ നികുതി ഏർപ്പെടുത്തി. ഇതിനെതിരെ ഗാന്ധിജിയും കൂട്ടരും ദണ്ഡി കടൽപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് ഒരു വലിയ ജാഥ നയിച്ചു. അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഒരു പിടി ഉപ്പ് വലത് കൈ വാരിയെടുത്ത് ആകാശത്തേക്ക് ഉയർത്തി ഉപ്പ് നിയമത്തെ ലംഘിച്ചു. ബ്രിട്ടീഷുകാർക്കെതിരെ പോരാടിയ ഭഗത് സിംഗ്
अब हमारे दिल में है सरफरोशी की तमन्ना, अब हमारे दिल में है देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है.
സുഖദേവ് രാജഗുരു എന്നിവരെ അറസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയും തൂക്കിക്കൊല്ലുകയും ചെയ്തു. സരോജിനി നായിഡു, അരുണ ആസിഫ് അലി തുടങ്ങിയ അനേക സ്ത്രീകൾ സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യ സമരത്തിൽ പങ്കെടുത്തു.
In August 1942, the Kitchener movement was launched. News of protest and arrest, days of young nationalists, and Gandhi's famous "Do or Die" message for the Kitchener movement were circulated amongst the masses.
On the eve of 15 August 1947, the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, gave a famous speech. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, that comes, but very instantly. When we step out all to the new, when an age ends, when the soul of a nation, long compressed, finds utterance. The achievement we celebrate today is but a step, an opening of opportunity, greater triumphs, and achievements that await us.
Good morning to the guest of honor, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Anne Mohammed of 4th Standard, wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Our country is a mixture of culture, religion, tradition, diversity, food, and many more. India is a unique country. This is the day we celebrate our freedom. As a nation while we remember those great stalwarts who made many sacrifices to make this freedom possible for us. We should also pause to reflect on what this freedom means to us and what use we are making of. Freedom does not mean that we can do anything we want without any regards for others. Freedom does not mean that we can earn money by hook or by crook, or we can indulge in corrupt practices. Freedom means using the opportunities that our nature provides us to do our best in whatever fields we choose, so that this great nation prospers. If every Indian uses his or her freedom to become self-sufficient to work in the service of the poor and helpless to spread and awareness of social and economic justice. I urge all of my friends not to misuse this freedom. Freedom is the gift to us and must be cherished. Our forefathers fought bravely to achieve it. Freedom is their gift to us. Let us all do them proud and take the nation forward to the pinnacles of glory and success. Jai Hind!
പാറട്ടെ ത്രിവർണ പതാക പാറട്ടെ പാടിടാം പാടിടാം ജയ ജയ ഗീതങ്ങൾ പാടിടാം.
കിരണങ്ങൾ എങ്ങും പൊൻപ്രഭ തൂകട്ടെ, സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യത്തിൻ കിരണങ്ങൾ എങ്ങും പൊൻപ്രഭ തൂകട്ടെ. ചാച്ചാജിയും ഗാന്ധിജിയും കാട്ടിയ പാതി നടന്നിടാം, ഭാരത ശില്പികളേവരെയും അഭിമാനത്തോടൊത്തിടാം. സത്യം ധർമ്മം നീതിയോടൊപ്പം കൈകൾ കോർത്തു ചരിച്ചിടാം, സത്യം ധർമ്മം നീതിയോടൊപ്പം കൈകൾ കോർത്തു ചരിച്ചിടാം. പാറട്ടെ പാറട്ടെ ത്രിവർണ പതാക പാറട്ടെ. വന്ദേ മാതരം വന്ദേ മാതരം സുജലാം ശുഭലാം മലയജ ശീതലാം സസ്യശ്യാമലാം മാതരം വന്ദേ മാതരം.
പാറുക പാറുക ഭാരതനാടിൻ മൂവർണ്ണക്കൊടിയേ, ഉയരെ പാറു സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യത്തിൻ മൂവർണ്ണക്കിളിയേ. മുകളിൽ കാണും കുങ്കുമമല്ലു ത്യാഗത്തിന്റെ നിറം, നടുവിലെ വെണ്മയിൽ തിളങ്ങി നിൽക്കും വിശുദ്ധി തന്റെ നിറം. താഴെ കാണും പച്ചയിലല്ലോ സമൃദ്ധി തന്റെ നിറം, നടുമധ്യത്തിലെ അശോകചക്രം നാടിൻ അഭിമാനം. പാറുക പാറുക ഭാരതനാടിൻ മൂവർണ്ണക്കൊടിയേ, ഉയരെ പാറുക സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യത്തിൻ മൂവർണ്ണക്കിളിയേ. ഭാരത് മാതാ കി ജയ്.
നാട് ഞാൻ പിറന്ന നാട്, എന്റെ സ്വന്തം നാട്, ചന്തമാർന്ന നാട്. ഇന്ത്യ എന്ന നാട് ഞാൻ പിറന്ന നാട്, എന്റെ സ്വന്തം നാട്, ചന്തമാർന്ന നാട്. പല ജനങ്ങളുണ്ട്, പല മതങ്ങളുണ്ട്, പലരും ഒത്തുചേർന്ന് പരിവസിക്കും നാട്. പല ജനങ്ങളുണ്ട്, പല മതങ്ങളുണ്ട്, പലരും ഒത്തുചേർന്ന് പരിവസിക്കും നാട്. ഇന്ത്യ എന്ന നാട് ഞാൻ പിറന്ന നാട്, എന്റെ സ്വന്തം നാട്, ചന്തമാർന്ന നാട്.
നമസ്കാരം, എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യ ദിനാശംസകൾ. ഭാരതമാണെന്റെ നാട്, അഭിമാനമേകുന്ന നാട്, സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം നേടിയ നാട്, സുന്ദരമാണെന്റെ നാട്. സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം നേടിയ നാട്, സുന്ദരമാണെന്റെ നാട്. ഒരുമയോടെ വാഴും നാട്, പെരുമകൾ ഉള്ളൊരു നാട്.
ഞങ്ങളുടെ കയ്യിലിരിക്കും മൂവർണ്ണ കൊടികൾ. സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യത്തിൻ പൂമ്പൊടി പൂശിയ മൂവർണ്ണ കൊടികൾ. കണ്ടോ ഞങ്ങളുടെ കയ്യിലിരിക്കും മൂവർണ്ണ കൊടികൾ. സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യത്തിൻ പൂമ്പൊടി പൂശിയ മൂവർണ്ണ കൊടികൾ. Happy Independence Day.
Good morning, everyone. Today, proudly, I am taking the opportunity to speak a few lines on our 75th Independence Day. Independence Day evokes the feeling of the nationalism and brotherhood among us. As like the other festivals, we celebrate Independence Day in each and other corner of our country with unity. August 15th, 1947, our country got independence. So every year, 15th of August, we are celebrating as Independence Day. Hoisting our tricolor flag, Tiranga, and singing the national anthem is at the apex of the celebration. On this day, the Prime Minister and the President of India address the nation. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Rajpath, New Delhi. People of India pay their tribute to all the freedom fighters who shed their blood and life for our nation. Jai Hind.
ഇതു ഗാന്ധി പിറന്ന മണ്ണ്, നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം നാട്, ഇതു ഭാരതനാട്, ഇതു ഭാരതനാട്. ഞാൻ പിറന്ന മണ്ണ്, ഇതു ഗാന്ധി പിറന്ന മണ്ണ്, നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം നാട്, ഇതു ഭാരതനാട്.
Happy Independence Day. Today, on August 15, we are celebrating India's 75th Independence Day. Independence Day is the national festival celebrated on 15th August every year to mark the anniversary of India's independence. India gained independence from British rule on 15th August 1947. It was the result of the constant struggles and sacrifices made by our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and others. Each one of us must be extremely grateful to them, as now we are able to lead a peaceful life enjoying all fundamental rights. This day is celebrated with great enthusiasm and patriotism by all Indians. On this occasion, we children, the future citizens of India, must take a pledge to strive hard to make India the best nation in the world. I conclude my speech by wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
वीरों को प्रणाम। देश की मिट्टी का कण कण है, जिन्हें प्राण से प्यारा। प्रणाम ऐसे वीरों को सौ सौ बार हमारा। यह ऐसी धरती है जहाँ पर गंगा जमुना बहती, देश पर मर मिटने की हरदम धुन सी रहती। वीरों के बलिदान से चमका हिंदू दिल का तारा। नमस्कार ऐसे वीरों को सौ सौ बार हमारा।
I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Today we are celebrating 75th of Independence Day, and I would like to sing a song, and this song is dedicated for all the martyrs. तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ए मेरी समी अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे ना रहे। ए मेरी समी महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून का रहे।
ഹാപ്പി ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ. ഇന്ത്യൻ ഭരണഘടന അംഗം. നാം ഇന്ത്യയിലെ ജനങ്ങൾ. ഇന്ത്യ ഒരു പരമാധികാര സ്ഥിതിസമത്വ മതനിരപേക്ഷ ജനാധിപത്യ शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गादा, जनगण